Whether you're a concurrent enrollment student or getting ready to transfer, or even just apply for scholarships, your Community College of Aurora transcripts will be an important part of the process. Step 1. Please log into your MyCCA account. You can do this by going to our website, ccaurora.edu, scrolling to the bottom of the webpage and clicking MyCCA. Step 2. Locate the Student Grades and Records card within your MyCCA account. Note, if you don't see this card, please click the Discover More magnifying glass at the bottom of the list. It should refresh the page to add the Student Grades and Records card. Step 3. Click Order Official Transcript. Step 4. Review the directions on the page for how to request transcripts. When you've read the instructions, click Order Transcript on the top right of your page. Step 5. Enter a valid email address to create your account. Step 6. Follow the prompts on the www.parchment.com website. These prompts will help you indicate which institutions you'd like to send your transcripts to. Step 7. Once you've completed the prompts to identify where you'd like to send your transcripts, you'll be prompted to provide an administrative fee. Step 8. You should receive a confirmation email from Parchment that they've processed your order and another email that they've sent your transcript.